million fighter bomber is about to hit the ground without landing gear. A routine military flight has turned into a high-stakes emergency. There's no second chance, no backup plan. This is real footage, captured just hours ago, of a Russian Su-34 executing a desperate belly landing at an undisclosed airfield. How did this happen? Was it a catastrophic failure? A battle-damaged jet returning from a mission? A warning sign of deeper problems within Russia's Air Force? We're about to find out. At approximately insert time, this Su-34, one of Russia's most advanced fighter bombers, approached the airfield for landing. But as it descended, one thing was horribly wrong. No landing gear, no front wheel, no rear wheels. Just the full weight of the aircraft about to slam into the runway. This footage, taken from a bystander at the airfield, shows the pilot carefully maneuvering, keeping the nose slightly elevated, buying precious seconds before impact, then contact. For several agonizing seconds, the Su-34 dragged its entire underbelly along the tarmac, coming to a stop with smoke pouring from its engines. The result? No explosion, no casualties. The pilot survived. But the damage is severe, and the bigger question remains: why did the landing gear fail? The Sukhoi Su-34, known as the Fullback, is a twin-engine supersonic fighter bomber designed for long-range strike missions. It's meant to be one of Russia's most reliable aircraft, featuring state-of-the-art radar and targeting systems, a massive payload capacity for air-to-ground attacks, an armored cockpit to protect pilots from enemy fire. But today, this $50 million machine came crashing down without its most essential component, the ability to land safely. So what went wrong? There are several possibilities, each with serious implications. The most likely culprit? A hydraulic system failure. If the pressure controlling the landing gear malfunctions, the wheels won't extend, leaving the pilot with zero options. This isn't unheard of. Several Russian aircraft have suffered gear retraction failures in the past. Could poor maintenance be to blame? Aircraft landing gear systems rely on complex electrical circuits. A single faulty wire or a damaged actuator could have prevented deployment. Here's where things get interesting. Some sources suggest the Su-34 may have been returning from a combat mission. Could it have sustained damage mid-flight, disabling its landing systems? Unlikely, but possible. Did the pilot miscalculate the landing gear deployment? Or was he forced into a manual override that didn't work? Whatever the cause, this wasn't supposed to happen. And this isn't the first time something like this has happened. This isn't an isolated incident. 2022, a Russian Su-30 crashed into a residential building due to an engine failure. 2023, a Su-35 suffered an in-flight malfunction, forcing an emergency landing. Now 2024, a Su-34 belly lands in a shocking failure. Are Russia's fighter jets facing a crisis? Western sanctions have restricted access to aviation components. Could low-quality replacement parts be affecting aircraft safety? With prolonged military operations, are maintenance failures becoming more common? Military experts suggest that deficiencies in pilot training and aircraft upkeep are becoming more apparent. But the Russian government rarely acknowledges such failures. This raises serious concerns about Russia's overall air power. Will Russia admit to a mechanical issue? Will this lead to a full-scale investigation? Or will the incident be buried, never officially explained? With tensions rising globally, Russia can't afford repeated failures like this. If aircraft reliability continues to decline, it could spell disaster for future military operations. One thing is clear: this was a warning sign, and we might not have seen the last of these emergencies. What do you think caused this near catastrophe? Was it a technical failure? Combat damage? Poor maintenance? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want in-depth military analysis, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps us bring you more content.